Guys, May 22nd, 2023. This one here I got a call from a customer of mine. She's got a power flush toilet, which has got like a tank inside of a tank, and it's got a builds pressure and it blows the shit into next week, you know, when you flush it. Blows the stuff right down the drain about a mile down the pipe. They call it power flush. And she says it's leaking on the top and it's not working, so we'll go over there and see if we can figure out what's going on with it. I do have a new cartridge that goes inside the power flush container. It kind of screws in the top. I should have one in the truck, I'm pretty sure. So anyway, we're gonna go over there and see if we can fix it for the lady. Remember last time I was over there, she had some kind of cabinet above the toilet, like one of those, you know, that come up and then around, and it makes it hard to get into the toilet. Might have to move that. But I've been there before. I've worked on her shower valves, and I think I might even have put this toilet in for her.
1/4 mile. Turn left on Allen Street.
She had a nice Gerber Viper toilet, and she wanted this power flush. I told her I don't recommend them because they're noisy at night. If somebody flushes the toilet at night, it's very noisy and can wake up people in the house. I don't think it's necessary. You don't really need a power flush toilet. It's not necessary. That's my opinion of them. But anyway, that's what we're gonna go over there and see if we can fix it for her. Any rocket science? Any rocket science, Miss Molly? Any rocket science? Not the space shuttle.
In 1 3/4 miles, turn right on Rockdale Avenue.
Not the space shuttle. We'll try to get it set up with the shitter cam over there and see if we can get some shots. Little shitter cam. You said it was leaking?
That's what they said.
Yeah, like the water wouldn't shut off.
It wouldn't shut off? Is that what he said? Oh yeah, I can see it coming up here. Alright. You're still working or you retired now?
I'm retired.
Yeah, how do you like it?
Very nice.
Yeah?
Nice job you never had.
Yep. How's your sister doing?
Which one?
Nancy.
Oh, she's doing wonderful. Yeah, I talk to her all the time.
Yeah.
You know her?
Yeah, I used to work in the same building as her.
Oh, okay, she don't miss working.
No, I'm sure she didn't.
Yeah, she kind of likes being retired, actually.
Yeah.
Like you.
Yeah, because her husband died, didn't he?
What is it?
Her husband died, right?
Yeah, he did, yeah. Arthur.
And that was fast, too.
Oh, he had cancer like for a year.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, and they finally took him out.
Was it pancreatic?
No, it wasn't. It was, you know, some kind of cancer. It ended up taking him out, unfortunately.
Yeah, he was a nice guy.
He was, yeah. Oh man, hopefully I can get this thing the hell out of here. Hopefully. Yeah, he was a great guy, wasn't he?
Yeah.
He's missed. A lot of people miss him.
Yeah. I know Nick used to say how she loved being with him because he had a sense of humor and, you know, just a nice guy.
Losing my shit here. Oh, you knew him too?
Excuse me?
You knew Arthur?
Yeah, I knew Arthur too. They were both on first shift, but I was on third.
There we go. We'll use that one. There's a special wrench for this, but I don't have one. The one I had broke or whatever it was. We got it off. I got the water off, so I'm gonna get sprayed.
Yeah.
Luckily, I have one of these cartridges in the truck.
Oh, good.
I try to keep everything I need in the truck.
Yeah.
This way here, because eventually I'm gonna need it, right?
Yeah.
And then,
Is that a new truck?
that's a new truck, yeah. My other one was just a pile of shit.
Oh, I know you were having a lot of trouble with it.
It's always a flipping mess. There's always something with it, you know. I had no choice but get another one.
Yeah.
Flipping disaster. Gonna get parts for it.
Oh God, yeah.
One of those deals. So you got your grandson over here taking over?
Yeah. The oldest one, he's working right now.
He must be getting old. I mean, he was only a kid, I remember
He's gonna
back.
be
How old is he now?
He's gonna be 28 in September.
28?
Yep.
Holy shit. Well, if you can't help out your grandkids, I mean, who else can you help
Yeah.
out, right?
Yep.
That's the way I look at it. Can't help out your family.
That's what's important.
Hey guys, could you grab me one of the blue rags and stuff like that?
Yep. Yeah.
There's something here. Hopefully this works. You wanted this flipping power flusher, right?
Excuse me?
I said you wanted this noisy thing.
Yeah, because the toilet was always getting blocked before.
Was it?
Yeah.
I think that's too far in. Awesome.
Alright, yeah, I'll tell him when he comes
Oh,
home.
it sounds like water's stopping now. Good. I'm down about 1/8 of an inch.
I can like taste the dust out of my throat. Yeah. I know. Yeah, I was like, chances of me learning that actually.
balance.
Oh, yeah, once, Sunday.
Alright, we'll try it and see how it flushes. Ain't that the truth, huh?
Yeah.
That's good. I had a girlfriend once. She was beautiful, right?
Yeah.
You know, so she'd go to sleep. She was beautiful. I didn't know whether to kiss her. Then she started snoring. She sounded like a walrus. Didn't know whether to throw a fish or give her a kiss. Sounded like a walrus, you know?
Oh, nobody's perfect, Steve.
No, and then she's saying to me, she says, "You snore." And then she's over there sounding like, you know, the walrus there. Unbelievable. I didn't know whether to give her a kiss or throw her a fish. Unbelievable, huh?
Yeah, we're not gonna put that cabinet back there.
You're not going to?
No, we're gonna get a washroom.
Okay. So, yeah. Beautiful. Flush it. Go ahead. Yeah, there you go.
Perfect.
Yep. A brand new cartridge in there, so